Okay guys, we're gonna do an oil change and chain case oil on our 2017 600 Ace. Got it in the shop right here. Yesterday I did the 1200. Today we're going to do the 600. And I have the kit here. See the non-French side, because we're not French. And we have the kit. And so we start by taking off the covers and take out the exhaust. So there's just two ways. You take off the windshield and start taking everything off the top, but I can reach in there with the exhaust out, I believe, and easy enough change the filter. And the chain case here, just move some of this stuff here and then drain it. And then on this side, I'll take the side off. Up and down. Belt cover pin. And then here's your dipstick. The exhaust. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 springs. Puller. If you don't have a puller, sucks to be you.
You just got it on Amazon, it was cheap, right?
Right.
There she goes.
There she goes. All right, T30. Loosen both off. And then take one out completely. And then you can just use the pivot, the other one to pivot the cover over. So out of the way. P40 for your drain plug. And then drain it. Oh, actually, there's a primary and a secondary drain. So there's actually two in this one. You got to take them both plugs out. So we'll start with the 40. And then let it drain. So the bottom plugs are out and the oil's draining, and now the filter's here, and it's the T30, and there's 3 of them, and you just take those off and take the cap off. All right, take the cover off. That's the old seal. We'll be putting a new one on. And the filter's here. And we'll try not to make a mess when we take it out. Doesn't mean we won't make a mess. Here's the new ring. And we just want to give her some fresh lube. Just like so. And then this should just pop in like that. Gonna clean this out a bit, get some of the yucky stuff out that's still in there. Put her back on, put the screws in, and then we'll torque it to spec. Put the plugs back in. Put the plugs back in and torque. Okay. The plugs are back in. The filter's cleaned and in. All the gaskets are put back on. The washers are put back on the plugs. And now we're just gonna put the oil back in. Goop, 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 goop.
Nope, it wasn't going. It's going now. It wasn't going. I knew it wasn't. Okay, go.
So we want to crack the cover to drain the oil. In order to do that, there's a bolt behind it. So we got to take the battery out, so and hook your positive, negative in the clamp, and then we can get to the bolts to crack the cover. The battery's out, and we got, I think, six to take out, 10 mil, and we'll take that out and then see if we can crack it. She's a draining. There's a little hole in there that it'll run out into the pan. Okay, it's all drained out. Putting the bolts back in, and then I'm going to take this cap off here, and this is where you fill it through here. And there's the plug there for the overflow. Once it comes to that level, then that's the correct amount. And it's usually 12 ounces, 355 milliliters. This takes a little bit of patience, nice and slow. Those are all tight. Oil's done. Clean that up so it doesn't drip anymore. Ew. Oh, thank you.
Put the battery back in.
Clamps on. Done. A little finicky.
You gotta put it in the latch.
Latch there, and then your 2 ports. Make sure these are on there. Again, a little bit of patience. And there she goes on there. Line these guys up. That one's there. There we go. And then your spring's attached to these guys. This is where your spring puller comes in handy. This one is a little tricky to get to this way though, but
Adam, do you have that light?
wow, what a difference I can see. Holy cow. I can see. So you get these two on, There's one here and one here. And then you're good. In, down. All right, we let the engine run. Let's check, see if it'll give us a proper level. Looks like it's 3/4 of the way up. Yeah, looks like it's 3/4 of the way up. So, yeah, and that was 2 liters, 2 quarts. That's how she's done.